This new approach is really quick and easy. You'll simply need 3 to 5 minutes to complete the process. You didn't sell anything, create any videos, get any referrals, build any websites, or go through any laborious setup in order to earn $500. Just grab your phone, walk over to the Google Play Store, and download the app for free. If you have a smartphone, you may start making $500 right away. But most beginners make a few basic mistakes that prevent them from making any money at all, or worse, from withdrawing their earnings. You can earn more money than those who didn't if you watch the entire video, because I'll show you exactly how to avoid them and give you a few really secret strategies to double your income. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Let's begin with FillUp, the first tool you may use right now to make money online. The FillUp app contains a huge database with millions of distinct, excellent, and high-resolution photos. On the FillUp app, there are 2 different user types, buyers and sellers. Numerous users peruse the software on their phones every day in search of fresh photographs to purchase. The FillUp app is used by both buyers and sellers to search for photographs they want to purchase. That is precisely how this application will benefit you. You don't even need to be in front of the camera or have any technical knowledge. You don't even need to take any of your images. Instead, I'll show a few obscure websites where you can discover hundreds of totally automated, done-for-you photographs that you can re-upload and share in full screen mode. You might have easily earned your first $200 to $400 by the time you finish watching this video. Therefore, I want you to click this button and then choose Sell Your Material when you go to the FillUp.com homepage. You can now download the FillUp app for free on both iOS and Android smartphones. Doing so will bring you to the page where it states, "Time to make extra money with your movies and your images." Simply search for FillUp on the Google Play Store if you have any Android phone. Simply go to the software store and follow the same steps if you have an iPhone. Just make sure the app you download includes this logo. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please leave a comment below. Returning to the video, I'll show you the website's library shortly, because FillUp is a totally free software. As you can see, a lot of high-quality, high-resolution images are being sold on this website, and the people who are selling them are making a ton of money. I also appreciate that FillUp enables passive money generation. If you upload and post photographs on FillUp now, tomorrow, next week, next month, or even 5 years from now, you can still make money from our website, because those images will be there permanently as long as FillUp is still operational online. Millions of users visit FillUp every single month to view the collection of images and make purchases. You're not required to take or create any photographs. At the conclusion of this, in the video, I'll reveal something incredible, so be sure not to miss it. Let's imagine, for instance, that people are selling their images on this website and charging $20 for each one. With this particular image serving as another example of a $20 photo, you might be wondering how much money you can get from this website by simply uploading your movies and photographs. So, I want you to take a look at this. You and FillUp will share the profits. The fact that they're going to sell the photos for you automatically, and that FillUp is a well-known website that works with many major brands and receives millions of visitors, is the reason they're taking away your 50% of the profit. FillUp will also help you automatically market and sell the various photos that you upload on this website. You only need to copy and paste the photographs onto this platform to begin earning passive income every day. You don't need to do any manual labor yourself. You may do more than only buy and sell pictures on this website. You can also take part in a range of tasks. For instance, the cash incentives for this mission is almost $200. The cash incentive for this particular quest is $500, whereas the rewards for other missions might reach $1,000. There are many missions you can join, and all you have to do is contribute various photographs related to the mission's specified subject. You can earn more money from this website by submitting different photographs to various missions, such as this one about Christmas and this one about holiday. Please pay attention once more because at the end of this video, I'll show you a few places where you can find done for your images that are the highest quality and can be copied and pasted to earn money on FillUp. I want to show you another website where you can make money first, though before I expect the secret one. Visit Shutterstock.com, which has a big collection of varied, high quality and high resolution photographs and is essentially fairly comparable to FillUp. Every day, users come here to buy various photos. However, you may also help by submitting some images to Shutterstock. Then, you might start earning money every day by simply sharing your photographs with others. The best part of this tactic is that you may upload the identical forum to FillUp and Shutterstock simultaneously. You can earn extra money by signing up for more websites, because some customers will go to FillUp to buy your photographs and some customers will go to Shutterstock to buy your photos. Again, all you have to do to get going is click this button, which will direct you to a page where you may register for a free account. By providing your full name, display name, image address, email address, and password, you can create a free account. I'll now deliver on my promise to show you a few websites where you can find and download high-resolution images for free. First.shopify.com currently provide a selection of photographs that are of high standard and resolution. They will group them according to several criteria like work from home, fashion, women, and fitness, among many others. These are all very high quality categories that may be accessed without spending any money or requiring a credit card. For instance, if I select the category water, I'm brought to this page where I can quickly and easily download all of the photographs to either my computer or phone. You can pick between high resolution and low resolution. However, I strongly suggest that you download the high resolution because it will cost more money and be available on more websites. I'll do everything in my power to help you guys increase your internet income. Thus, I'd rather give you guys Quickwizard.com as an alternative. Once more, you may obtain a wide selection of premium, cost-free stock pictures from this website. There are more than 1 million diverse, high-quality photos available. You don't have to shoot any pictures yourself, and you don't even need to know how to use technology. This is a more efficient and logical approach. I can select any of these download options to save the file to my computer or phone by clicking on the image to the right, which will then take me to this page. I was able to successfully download this picture to my computer. I now need to upload it to both Shutterstock and FillUp.com in order to start receiving royalty payments and daily passive income. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming videos and I'll see you there.